Should I watch the Bruno Mars's Die with a Smile? Should I watch Avatar? Yep. Are you a fan of Rose? Are you a fan of Bruno Mars? Do you like Lady Gaga? Are you Spanish? Can you speak Spanish? Are you from Philippines? Am I from Philippines? Am I in a car? Is it night? Are we going on the right speed? Are we in front of a white van?
Dapat pag may mga wrong punch pa, may mga correction.
Are we in Tibagan?
Manood mo ba?
Do we is someone beside me? Is there two persons beside me?
Dada, ang trabaho niya, ang trabaho ko, ako yung
Is there two persons in the front?
Kailan yung mga balisa?
Where did we come from? SM?
Bakit
Oh, did we come from SM?
Pag kinurek yun,
dapat documented yun.
pag kinurek yun, nade-detect or
Are we going to our home?
Akala ko, kailangan.
Is my brother
May
watching?
approval yun. May approval ko pa yun.
Are you in front of us? So it's in front of us. Are you trying to scare me? Later. Do you want to go to my home?
What's this?
Are you from Tibagan? Are you from Australia? Are you from Canada? Where am I from? Tibagan or Tibagan? Hi. Am I talking right now?
What's this?
Am I in a market or no?
What's your favorite song?
Am I beside four persons? Is there two people besides me? Okay, part 2 is coming. Part 3, sorry, it was part 3.